The Logitech G413 mechanical gaming keyboard boasts a sleek, minimalist design crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, giving it a premium feel and sturdy build. This keyboard isn't just about looks, it's built for performance. The Romer G mechanical switches are the stars of the show, offering a 1.5mm short-throw actuation, which Logitech claims is 25% faster than standard mechanical switches. In practice, this translates to incredibly responsive keystrokes, perfect for fast-paced gaming. While speed is often associated with loud clicks, the Romer G switches manage to maintain a relatively quiet profile, a welcome feature for those who prefer a less noisy gaming experience. The keys are also backlit, allowing for easy visibility in dimly lit environments. Beyond the core mechanics, the G413 offers some convenient extras. The USB pass-through is a handy addition, allowing you to charge your phone or connect a mouse directly to the keyboard. Full-function keys provide quick access to media controls and other essential functions, streamlining your workflow. While the keyboard focuses on a clean aesthetic, it doesn't skimp on functionality. Flipping the keyboard over reveals thoughtful cable management channels for your mouse and headset, keeping your setup tidy. Adjustable height feet with rubber stabilizers provide stability during intense gaming sessions, preventing unwanted slippage. Overall, the Logitech G413 presents a compelling package for gamers seeking a blend of performance, durability, and understated elegance. It's a keyboard that feels as good as it looks, delivering a premium typing and gaming experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.